Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know I'm back with another video. If you are new to my videos, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like, comment, and share my video. Thank you to everybody that likes, comment, and subscribes and shares my video. It is very much appreciated. So by the title, you already know, and you can see I am doing a single mom and mom to be Q&A. So basically, these are questions that people ask single mothers or mothers to be. Right. And yeah. What Princeton said. So we're just gonna get right into it. So the first question is, would you want to homeschool Princeton? I like the idea of homeschool. I like the idea of being able to educate my child myself, and so I am in control of what he intakes as far as education wise. So yes, I would love to do that, but I feel like it isolates, you know, the child in a way, and I feel like Princeton is going to be a very interactive individual. So I don't know if I want to put him in a homeschool environment and stagnate his social skills. So I might not homeschool, I don't know, but it is a thought. Are you ready for him to start walking? I'm ready for him to start walking because I won't have to hold him as much. But I am not ready for him to start getting into stuff and me having to yell and eat cough drops every day because my throat gonna be sore. So I don't know if I'm ready for him to start walking, but it's definitely gonna be exciting. Yeah. So the next question is, what is the best baby product you can't live without? Okay, so I don't know if it's necessarily, what do you have to say? What do you like? All right. I don't know if this is necessarily a baby product, but his playpen, I cannot live without his playpen. At first, when I didn't have him a playpen and I was basically holding him most of the time and trying to clean up and stuff like that, I was immobile. I could not do anything. But yeah, I could just put him in there and cut on his cartoons, and I can do whatever I need to do. He'll go to sleep in it, he'll play in it, but when he wants to get out, he will let you know. But I definitely am so grateful for like a playpen. For real, for real. Did you ever have postpartum depression? No, I never had postpartum depression. For the most part, I just thugged it out and did whatever. But now I did have anxiety because this was so new to me and motherhood was so new to me, and I also was just thinking about co-parenting, but I necessarily didn't have postpartum depression at all. Do you ever let Prince cry it out? Yes, I let him cry it out all the time because first of all, he's spoiled, so he wants to cry about everything. Basically what cry it out is when you put them down, put them in a crib or their playpen and just let them cry. Yes, I do that but I do make sure that he's fed. I do make sure that his diaper is changed. I do make sure that nothing's wrong with him. He's not running a fever, whatever. But there are some days where I just put him in his playpen. He just wants to cry and holler, and I will let him. It is hard because you don't want to see your baby crying. His nose be red, he has tears, but I just have to do that sometimes, and it works because sometimes he just end up going to sleep and he be just fine. How do you discipline Princeton? He is 9 months old and he's very active, so he does get into things. He does try to touch things he doesn't supposed to be touching or messing with. So the best way I can discipline him right now is going no. See, you see how he gets his attention? So yeah, that's it. No, leave it alone, stop. Those are the commands that you have to give right now, or those are the commands. You see how this is what he really does when I say no. Baby, I was just telling them. I wasn't telling you no. Okay? Okay, baby. So yeah, I'll tell them no. What do you say to people who criticize your decisions, and how do you handle it? So of course, with me being a first-time mom, people are going to have their little 2 cents and their little words of advice and whatever, but I do take some advice. Don't get me wrong, some advice is very helpful and I do take heed to it, but there are some people that will get they like what they would do, how they would do it type advice. And just like other people that go through their motherhood journey, I do too. So there will be some things that I will do that I will not like. There are some things that I have to learn for myself. So that's how I handle it. I just sometimes I, you know, keep it in my memory. Sometimes people advice, I just be like, okay, and I don't care or listen. What prompted you to take a pregnancy test, and what pregnancy symptoms did you have? The only thing that prompted me to take a pregnancy test was a missed period, and honestly I didn't have no pregnancy symptoms like at all besides a missed period. Other than that, everything was normal, like seriously normal. So yeah. Is it hard dating with having a child? It was hard dating at first because you're not really just dating for you. You're dating for you and plus one, because whoever you bring in your life will be around your child as well. So, you know, it was kind of hard because I'm very picky about certain things. Baby, here, maybe this will help. So yeah, I'm very picky about certain things I do and don't want around my child. So it was kind of like hard because I had to be kind of picky, but now it isn't, because as you guys know, I am with my boyfriend, and you know, I want him around my child, duh. He is gonna be around my child, duh. So it was hard at first because I was just kind of like, you know, I don't really want to date and have to go through this. Like, you basically have to screen the dudes and do a background check and, you know, all that stuff, and I was just over it. The next question is, will you put Princeton in a daycare? It depends on what type of daycare it is. I'm really sure that I want a daycare that has security cameras where I can see outside of the daycare what's going on, whether I have to download an app. I know some daycares that do that. You download an app, you can see what's going on in the daycare. Yeah, I definitely want to do that as far as with the daycare. But if I can't find a reliable daycare, then stay-at-home mom it is. At the end of the day, my child's security and safeness is my responsibility, and if I have to stay at home and be his personal daycare, I will do that. How was the adjustment from hospital to home? My adjustment from hospital to home was actually pretty good. I had a great support system which helped a lot. So going from the hospital to the home, I had my mom, I had my dad, I had my brothers and sisters here. So it was pretty easy. But once it started to settle in, like with the crying and the sleep I wasn't getting any, it kind of was like, okay, so this is for real. But yeah, like the adjustment was pretty good though. Like I transitioned very well. If you have another child, will it be an all natural birth or epidural? Well, since I've already did the epidural birth, I think I do want to venture into the natural birth, maybe a home water birth or something like that. I do want to try something different. Where do you think you'd be in life if Prince wasn't born? I would have either have gotten my stuff together, went back to college, got my degree, bossed up, had my own business by now or something. Or two, I would have... Tell it, baby. Yeah. Or two, I probably would have still been in such a horrible relationship, or just probably have slowed down in life or something. I don't know. But he's here, and you are mommy's little precious little guy, and I love you so much. I can't imagine my life without you, my little tickle monster. How did you come up with his name? His full name is Princeton Armani Bibbs. Princeton originally came from my dad, who decided that actually he wanted it to be Prince at first, so I changed it to Princeton. It's so cool, it's so cute, and you can also still nickname him and call him Prince. And Armani also came from my dad as well. I feel like it's different too. It's not, you know, normal. It's a cool name, Prince Armani. If I wanted to call him both, I could. So yeah. Do you want a second child, and how long will you wait to have another one? Lately I have decided that I kind of want a big family. I kind of want to be that family mom, big family type thing. So yeah, I definitely want to have a second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever kid, but I don't know about the time. I want it to be after marriage. I do, because I feel like that's more solid than just having kids. It's really just in God's timing. How did you sleep train Princeton? He is not sleep trained at all. It is so hard because he's so active. He will be up at 3 o'clock in the morning playing, talking, laughing, pulling stuff, whatever. He wakes up whenever. It's kind of hard to sleep train when you're co-sleeping. So yeah. Does Prince have friends? No, Princeton does not have friends. He's 9 months, but that's actually not a stupid question at all, because I actually do want him to have more infant friends, toddler friends, whatever you want to call it. He's 9 months and he does like to play, so I do wish I had more mommy friends. I don't have too many mommy friends, and you know, he is the only grandchild on both sides of his family, on my side and his dad's side. Yeah, it's just him right now, so that's why he's so spoiled. How long did it take you to shed baby weight? Well, honestly, my baby weight came right off. I did have to do a little bit of stuff, like wear a little waist trainer, or like do a couple of crunches, walk, be active. I did have to do a little of that, but not much, because naturally, by genetics, I'm naturally skinny. I naturally have a fast metabolism. Weight does not stay on me at all. Like currently, I'm back to 118 pounds, which is the way I was before I had him. It didn't take long to shed the baby weight at all. Like, it came right off. What is Princeton's schedule? Like I said, he doesn't have a sleep schedule, and he doesn't have a schedule at all. He eats whenever he decides he's hungry. He eat when I eat. He eat when everybody else eat. As far as okay nap time or okay playtime, we don't have none of that. And that's why, like I said again, I'm working on my own place, because I do want to do that. I do want to get him on a schedule and all of that. So yeah. And the last question is, what are you doing to keep yourself happy? To keep myself happy, I'm basically doing YouTube and all the regular stuff that I like to do before YouTube, whether it's doing my hair or doing a little shopping. Definitely getting my nails done and my toes done to match keeps me happy, and that keeps me to myself, you know, so I don't get so deep into motherhood that I lose myself. So I'm definitely doing that. I still make sure that I keep myself up. It's very hard, you know, as a mom to get ready and get yourself together, especially with a 9-month-old. So I definitely try to do that to keep myself happy. Papa, you winding now? You need to take a little nap? Y'all see how he all of a sudden got quiet? He was just so active, and like 5 minutes from now, he gonna be back hooping and hollering and wailing. So yeah, that was basically a simple Q&A. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all have more questions that you would like to ask me, leave them down in the comment section below, or inbox them to me, or whatever method you prefer, DM, snap, whatever. But definitely leave me questions. I love doing these type of videos. I am a first-time mom. I'm still new to this, but I still have learned a lot. No question is dumb, no question is stupid, no question is you shouldn't be asking that, none of that. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Princeton, tell them to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So we will see you guys later. I love you guys, and be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.